The Google Business Profile is one of the best resources for helping you stand out on Google and manage the potential information customers might see when they conduct a Google search, and you should use it to strengthen your company's online profile. In this video, we will discuss the 5 Google Business Profile tips and tricks. The video will be amazing, so stick to the end. But before starting the video, smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Keep your information accurate and up to date. Keeping the information on your Google Business Profile current and accurate is crucial. This includes your opening and closing times, location, phone number, and business description. If this information changes, update your listing so customers receive the most recent information. Number 4. Avoid spammy tactics. Avoid employing any spammy techniques when improving your Google Business Profile. Things like keyword stuffing, fake reviews, and duplicate listings fall under this category. A P.O. box should not be used as your company address. Google prefers that businesses have a visible customer's physical address. These strategies will only increase your visibility in search results and run the risk of getting your company suspended from Google, so it's preferable to stay away from them entirely. Number 3. Encourage customers to leave reviews. Encourage clients to submit reviews for your business online because they're a key component of local SEO. Add a link to your Google Business Profile to make it simple for consumers to post reviews. Consider offering a discount or other incentive to customers who submit reviews. Just be careful not to reward customers for nice reviews. This is seen as a fraudulent review and could harm your company. Number 2. Always answer questions from potential customers. By taking the time to respond to queries, you can demonstrate to Google and your potential clients that you are interested, accommodating, and available. That is yet another fantastic opportunity to market your company. Frame your responses to provide the requested information that best represents your company. Even if it's not directly related to your company, you can regularly assist customers by responding to their questions. This will demonstrate to Google that you are involved, active, and offering their users useful content online. Number 1. Claim and verify your business profile. You first need to create a Google account and a business profile for your organization. When potential clients enter a search for the local service or goods you offer, your business details will show up on the Google search results page. Use every opportunity your profile provides to attract customers to your business, as this is your first chance to do it using Google. Refrain from being persuaded to overlook details like business hours, because they can be the deciding factor for a potential client choosing between 2 business profiles that have appeared in a local search. As soon as you create your account, enter your business name, address, email, phone number, and opening hours. Please make sure to visit our website, Burnesseo SEO. This was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Let us know your opinion in the comments section below. Stay safe, and we will be right back soon with another video. For more information, subscribe and watch other videos from our channel.